Sold out. Yes. This DIMOO World vinyl plush keychain is sold out. I managed to buy it when Pop Mart restock it.
Aww.
This is Pop Mart DIMOO World. Collaboration with Disney Mickey and Friends. Plush blind box series. The designs are Minnie's balloon, Goofy's prank, Donald Duck's singing, Chip and Dale, Daisy's gift, Pluto's house. In every full tray complete set stands a chance to get the secret special edition design. There are 6 blind boxes in a full tray. I hope to get the secret special edition design. Unboxing the first blind box. Pop Mart DIMOO World vinyl plush keychain. These are the 6 Disney Mickey and Friends DIMOO plush keychain design. I hope to get the secret special edition design. Top and bottom are tight. The sides are spacious. There is a weight in the middle part. Loud knocking sound in the middle. Could this be the secret special edition figurine? Keeping my fingers crossed. It's Minnie's balloon. Interestingly, both the hand will move up and down when I adjust it on one side. The clothes has Velcro strap, which allows you to remove the clothes, but the hand are so big, how can we remove the clothes? Please leave in the comment, have you tried removing the clothes for this Minnie's balloon design? I love to hear from you. The head is rotatable. The arms are adjustable. The estimated weight for this Minnie's balloon, from Pop Mart DIMOO World Disney Mickey and Friends plush blind boxes, 204.6 grams. Unboxing the second blind box. Please let this blind box be the secret special edition figurine. Top and bottom is spacious, the sides are slightly tight. It's Chip and Dale. The ears are so tiny and cute. I love this little Chip and Dale bag. It's so adorable. The head is rotatable. The arms are adjustable. The estimated weight for this Chip and Dale, from Pop Mart DIMOO World Disney Mickey and Friends plush blind boxes, 191.3 grams. Unboxing the third blind box. Seriously hope to get the secret special edition design. Top and bottom are spacious. There is a heavy weight in the middle part. Loud knocking sound. It's Daisy's gift. The details are amazing. This plushie looks so cute and adorable. This is my favorite design. Which is your favorite? Leave in the comment below. I love to hear from you. Double checking the labels. There is QR code to scan for authentication. The head is rotatable. The arms are adjustable. The estimated weight for this Daisy's gift, from Pop Mart DIMOO World Disney Mickey and Friends plush blind boxes, 195 grams. This is my last 3 chances to get the secret special edition design. All sides are tight. There is knocking sound from the card. Fun fact, the chance to get the secret design is 1 in every 72 blind boxes. It's Donald Duck's singing. The head is rotatable. The arms are adjustable. Donald Duck is as cute as Daisy, don't you agree? The estimated weight for this Donald Duck's singing, from Pop Mart DIMOO World Disney Mickey and Friends plush blind boxes, 195.7 grams. This is my last 2 chances to get the secret special edition design. This feels lighter. This feels heavier. Let's unbox the lighter blind box. Top and bottom is spacious. It feels light. There is heavy weight in the middle part. It's difficult to unbox. Could it be the secret? No, it's not a secret. It's Pluto's house. The ears are very flexible, you can reshape it however you like. This is cuteness overload. The head is rotatable. The arms are adjustable. The clothes has Velcro strap. It has a cute long tail. The estimated weight for this Plutos house, from Pop Mart DIMOO World Disney Mickey and Friends plush blind boxes, 190 grams. This is my last chance to get the secret special edition design. Top and bottom are tight. All sides are tight. It feels heavy. I have a good feeling that this will be the secret. No, it's not a secret. It's Goofy's prank. Similar as Pluto, Goofy's ears are flexible and you can reshape it however you like. This is my new favorite design. The head is rotatable. The arms are adjustable. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video. Get ready, the weight will be revealed soon. There is Velcro strap in his outfit, but I think his hands are too big. It may damage the clothes if I remove the outfit. The estimated weight for this Goofy's prank, from Pop Mart DIMOO World Disney Mickey and Friends plush blind boxes, 206.9 grams. Pluto's house is the lightest. Goofy's prank is the heaviest. I have unboxed. Good luck. I hope you get the secret.